Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download multiple attachments in AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Inbox, Home, Receipts and Subscriptions. Tap on Inbox, then open the mail where you have multiple files. Well, you should know that you cannot download multiple files at once. You're gonna have to manually open each file, then tap on Share and go ahead and tap on Save from the menu appearing from the bottom of your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you download multiple attachments in AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.